Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm going to teach you about what to be aware of when maintaining your bike. Quick disclaimer, this is just a general recommendation and there's many different variables to consider when doing maintenance and service. There's no way around it. Bicycles do need maintenance from time to time. A well-maintained bike lasts longer and it gives you a more enjoyable riding experience. To ensure your chain glides smoothly and to avoid corrosion, you should oil it regularly. We recommend that you do this once or twice per week depending on how far you cycle and how often you cycle. If you want to reduce the amount of maintenance on your bike, check out our models with belt drive. Our belt-driven models, Eric and Siggy, don't need chain lube, it just needs the occasional cleanup. Depending on how often you ride and the weather outside, we recommend that you clean your bike once per week. Only use products that are specifically made for cleaning bikes, especially on your disc brakes. In general, the more you clean your bike, the longer the different parts will last before it needs to be replaced, so it's definitely worth it in the long run. And while you're at it, don't forget to check your tires for small rocks, scratches, or holes. Some tasks need certain expertise and tools. That is why it's important to bring your bike to a local mechanic every 3rd month for a general checkup. If a part breaks or you suspect that something's off, then you should have a mechanic look at it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more tips on how to maintain your bike in the future. Bye!